Heat and temperature are related concepts in thermodynamics, but they have distinct meanings and characteristics. Here are the differences between heat and temperature. Definition: heat. Heat refers to the transfer of thermal energy between two objects or systems due to a temperature difference. It is the energy in transit. Temperature. Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance or system. It represents the degree of hotness or coldness of an object or system. Nature. Heat. Heat is a form of energy. It can be transferred from one object to another or transformed into other forms of energy, such as mechanical or electrical energy. Temperature. Temperature is a scalar quantity that represents the thermal state of an object or system. It does not involve energy transfer but rather indicates the intensity of molecular motion. Units. Heat. Heat is measured in units of energy, such as joules, J, or calories, cal. Temperature. Temperature is typically measured in degrees Celsius, degrees C, or Kelvin, K, scales. Transfer. Heat. Heat is transferred from a higher temperature object to a lower temperature object until thermal equilibrium is reached. It flows in the direction of decreasing temperature. Temperature. Temperature does not transfer or flow between objects. It is a property of the object itself. Effect on matter. Heat. The transfer of heat can change the internal energy of a substance, causing its temperature to rise or fall, or even change its state, e.g., melting, boiling. Temperature. Temperature affects the physical properties of matter, such as its expansion or contraction, but does not directly cause energy transfer or state changes. Measurement. Heat. Heat transfer is measured using calorimeters or by monitoring changes in temperature. Temperature. Temperature is measured using thermometers or temperature sensors. In summary, heat refers to the transfer of energy between objects due to a temperature difference, while temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles within an object or system. Heat involves the transfer or transformation of energy, while temperature represents the thermal state or intensity of molecular motion.